Welcome back. Today, we're taking you inside an amazing food factory where delicious soup is made using advanced technology and precision engineering. At first, everything begins with carefully selected fresh ingredients. Every vegetable and ingredient is inspected to make sure it meets the highest quality standards. This ensures that every bowl of soup is safe, healthy, and full of flavor. Next, the ingredients are thoroughly washed using automated cleaning systems. These high-tech machines Now comes the cooking process. Huge stainless steel cooking tanks combine all the ingredients with carefully measured spices and seasonings. Advanced temperature control systems make sure the soup is cooked perfectly, preserving both taste and nutrition. As the soup cooks, powerful mixers continuously stir the mixture. This creates a smooth texture and ensures that every ingredient is blended evenly. Every step is monitored by computer systems to maintain the highest production standards. Once the soup is ready, finally, the finished products are labeled, packed into boxes, and prepared for delivery to supermarkets and customers around the world. Modern food manufacturing combines advanced engineering, automation, and strict quality control to produce safe, delicious, and high-quality soup on a massive scale. If you enjoy watching amazing factory tech